Hello, it's Tina right here again for my Week 5 presentation, the Capital Improvement Plan for my city, Slidell, Louisiana. I just wanted to start by saying I had quite a difficult time locating a CIP report for the city of Slidell. I don't know if it's because it's a smaller city or what's kind of going on with that. However, I did run into a statement in the CAFR that said the mayor recommends a separate CIP report, so I'm not sure that they actually have a separate CIP plan. So I have been able to gather some data on some capital projects, and they have already begun. Unfortunately, I won't be able to discuss and analyze a new project, but one that's already in place. So, the city of Slidell, like many of the other cities you guys are reporting on, has several different kinds of capital projects in the works. One for city facilities, bridges, streets, drainage, public safety, the Slidell business campus, utilities, and the airport. I would like to focus on the capital improvement plan project for the airport. The airport improvement project was adopted in October 2017 under referendum R1725 with an initial cost of $2.6 million. When we review the FY 2022 budget, the 5-year plan, the last year for budgeted capital expenses was 2021. We have a little bit of correction there going on in 2022, but it appears that the entire capital portion of this plan has been expended. Instead of going into how they actually funded it, I'm going to go into how I think that it should be funded in order to provide my analysis. The airport in Slidell is a very small airport. The customers include some intergovernment agencies, the St. Tammany Parish Mosquito Abatement, the National Weather Service, and some private agencies, Cloud Chaser Skydivers, Experimental Aircraft Association, Air Redland, and it also contains 33 private hangars for rent. They do have their own revenue source, and you can see in this statement from the budget, they have revenue projected for 2022. The two types of long-term financing that I think apply to such project would be, first, the special tax. This could apply to the airport because they might be able to tax the fuel used in the jet engines and help pay for the capital project via the revenues from that source. And another option might be the revenue bond issuance. The airport is obviously a revenue maker. It does have users and charge fees to those users to repay, and that those fees can be used to help repay the debt. If you look at the budget from 2022, you can see that the proposed revenues for user fees or fees for services is $723,700. However, the expenses are $336,000 or $366,000, excuse me, which means that revenues are less than expenditures. So I believe the best plan for this particular endeavor is to use both the special revenue tax and the revenue bond issuance in order to finance the capital project expense. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation today. I hope you all have a blessed week, and I'll see you again next week, same place as we discuss taxation.